our infinite universe exists an enchanting planet called Mother Earth. All her children live in harmony, free to wander the world, learning the individual songs of one another, singing along, dancing to the rhythm. Mother Earth offers us children gifts of abundance, all the goods necessary to thrive and to expand, to grow together and become our greatest selves. Acknowledging and accepting these gifts with gratitude, we take only what is essential and use all that we have taken. This treasured gift of giving is reciprocated by all. In giving, we are blessed in receiving. To give and to take, a cherished commitment. Mother Earth is our sustainer and our healer. She is devoted to her children, and we are devoted to her. To look within another is a recognition of oneself. No matter who is there, we are reflected. Humans care for all of life with benevolence and respect. No one being perceived as an object or deemed a commodity. All children of Earth are equals, fated with the same yearning to be alive, to be free. Living on Earth, we are presented with wisdom and knowledge. The knowledge we attain is coupled with responsibility. The responsibility to generate positive change for the collective whole. To protect and love one another just as Mother Earth does. If we listen carefully, in the center of our hearts, at the core of our being, we may hear Mother Earth calling to us, singing this message of wholeness, of unity. All children are part of the oneness that encompasses all of existence. Responsibility, respect, and leadership are some of the gifts blessed upon humans. By implementing these gifts, Mother Earth may be nourished, actualizing a world of freedom, love, and kinship for all. Thanksgiving may be honored each day. The gesture of giving thanks, a prayer expressing gratitude, a celebration of divine goodness. Can we awaken the courage within ourselves and use the powers gifted to us to manifest a sustainable, harmonious, and vibrant world for the greatest good of all? We are the ones we have been waiting for, standing together with a vision of love in our hearts, and by taking inspired actions each day, beautiful Mother Earth and all her children may live together in peace and in harmony.